Hi, and thanks for joining us. If you missed our last video, we camped in a beautiful park near La Fortuna. We enjoyed the sunset, beautiful morning, and proximity to La Fortuna.
It's hot and you want food, right, buddy? You know, people feed you, right?
We then enjoyed the free hot springs access just outside of La Fortuna. In this video, we revisit La Fortuna and La Paz waterfalls and discover Cinchona waterfall on our way to our overnight perch overlooking San Jose. Hi, this is Dory, and I'm Mena. We travel with our lovely dog Fiona to discover the most beautiful locations. And our goal is to share with you what it's like to live as a nomad. So thanks for following and welcome to our channel.
I think the parking lot's gonna be empty.
What do you think? What do you really think? This is how you know you're in a rainforest.
It rains all the time. It is 21 degrees Celsius.
Perfect.
1 minute till we get there. And we're going where?
La Fortuna waterfall.
Here we are.
Being in the mud isn't great either.
It's rocky. So we are in La Fortuna. It's a good place to swim and to see some waterfalls.
La Fortuna Waterfall Park is located about 5 to 6 kilometers outside of the town of La Fortuna. It is at the base of Volcano Chato, which is now dormant. It's fed by the Arenal River and is 70 to 75 meters in height, which is about 230 to 250 feet. The park entrance fee is $18 for adults and $5 for children 8 years and younger.
So, $18 to get in. You get a bracelet and it's a day pass. They close at 5. I believe they open at 7. I'm not sure, but I know they close at 5. And yeah, you only need masks at the beginning. They make you wash your hands. That's pretty much it, and you're good to go.
So you can swim at the waterfall, you can swim in the river, but now, when we were here the last time, there was no lifeguard. Now, if the lifeguard sees that things change, they might request that you leave and get out of the water. This is new. They didn't have a fireplace last time we were here.
Oh, it's not a fireplace, it's a chicken.
It's a rotisserie.
Remember guys, when you go down, you must come up at some point. So all these stairs, it's gonna open the appetite later.
If you want to see the waterfall up close, visitors descend 530 steps to access the waterfall site.
Feel like I'm on top of the world.
Waterfall visit number 2. The park amenities include parking, lockers, showers, bathrooms, an on-site restaurant and souvenir shop, and an orchid garden. Oh, it's fresh!
It's fresh?
It's fresh!
Hey, crazy, come up.
If you're swimming, you'll need a towel and a bathing suit, and it's recommended to have water shoes because the rocks are sharp and slippery.
That's really cold.
It's your polar bear dip.
Yeah, the kitty.
You're Canadian. You can do this. Go that way. Deep. That's it. No more. I'm going back in.
Really?
Yeah, that was awesome.
All right.
If you do have a sunny day and wear sunscreen, please be mindful of the environment and use biodegradable sunscreen.
Can't touch the ground if I wanted to. I wanna fly. You make me feel like I'm on top of the world.
Here we have all these cute little fish. They don't seem to mind me being here either. Oddly, they're giving me a little bit of space. So happy.
$18 to check out one waterfall to swim. You also have that part over there to swim as well, but definitely worth it. It's an experience, you know, but I do find it steep. Steep like these stairs.
You may not think that coming to see a waterfall in the rain is much fun, but there's so much tree cover here that you don't see much of the sun when you get down to La Fortuna anyway. And there are other benefits. It keeps the crowds away, and for us specifically, it works out so that we don't leave Fiona in a hot van. With this weather, it was 22 degrees in the van. We had the fans on. Perfect. She's perfectly comfortable, and we can enjoy this space not worrying about her. Now our next stops for today are to go resupply. We're going to the grocery store, and then we want to go see another waterfall. It's also another waterfall we saw 10 years ago. We don't want to pay admission because there's a zoo there. We don't really like zoos. So we're gonna see if we could see La Paz waterfall from the road. Apparently there's a viewpoint and you could take pictures from the road. So that's what we're gonna go look for after we have lunch.
I'm stuffed. You know how much it was? It was like about 10 bucks?
Yeah, right. $18.50.
$20.
Yeah, I'm relatively sure she overcharged us.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because I didn't get a written bill,
Okay.
and based on what she was quoting me in prices, it seems quite high for what we paid.
One of the most incredible things about driving through Costa Rica is the incredible views along the countryside. The journey itself becomes one of the most awe-inspiring elements of our trip. We were also pleased to discover that the roadways and highways have improved greatly in the 10 years since we were last here. These are two important reasons why Costa Rica is still one of our favorite countries to visit.
So we're pretty high up in elevation. I could tell it's 18 degrees. Not parked well, but there's a nice mirador over here.
cool. We've actually seen this waterfall before, La Paz Waterfall. We paid to get into La Paz Waterfall Garden. We don't want to go back. We've already paid for it. We've already gone through the zoo. And we have a free Mirador here, so why not, right?
It's pretty cool, guys? Oh boy, what a day. What a beautiful day. So we made it to a nice spot. I don't even know if it's official on iOverlander or not, but I wanted to go up there because I know that one is on iOverlander and ask if we could stay overnight, but it's pretty steep. And there was a family over here. I think they sell strawberries. Anyway, we'll buy strawberries from them in the morning and whatever. We're definitely going to encourage them because they like, yeah, for sure. Stay here overnight, park it how you want it, don't worry about it. They even unlock a bathroom. They put a fresh roll of toilet paper so we could stay here overnight. And I go, you're going to be here perfect, no worries. And then I ask him, how much is it for the night? He's like, man, pura vida. You're happy? That's all I need. It's like, wow. It's a nice spot. It's drizzly. You don't see much because there's clouds, but the town is right there. And our goal over here is to go see the Poas volcano. The other thing that I'm a little freaked out is we have maintenance to do in the car. Not maintenance. I have a warning for the windshield washer. My other issue is that the low tire gauge came back up again, but I checked all my tires, they're okay. I'm assuming elevation and the cold probably did something to the tires. And another issue now, we have two keys. I have my key and Mena's key. So one of the keys is not being detected in the engine. That leaves me with one key and I'm a little worried. So maybe it's the battery, but every time I press the fob, nothing works. It's fine, okay, change the battery, but I figure the key should work, right? If you put it in the engine, if you open your door, it's mechanical, it should work. It's not being detected. So probably the chip got messed up or something. Anyway, we'll see. It is cold. I'm gonna go back over there and get warm and cozy.